One change.
Good morning, Steadfast. This is Gaur Nurse before you from Steadfast Spoken English classes, and today I am share my topic, and my topic name is digital addiction. Digital addiction, most important problem of the country, and digital addiction is real. It could be as dangerous as drug addiction. And first time talk about game addiction. Teenagers get attracted to challenges and want to complete it winning any level as comparison as other gamers, so he give the reward to his brain. Studies showed that gaming disorder is linked to be depression. In Rajasthan, two students died as result of gaming. And second is the social media addiction. We all know that what is social media, and we all use it. Social media is too much too bad. Social media overdose is causing mental illness among youth. We are extremely dependent on social media for our smallest requirement and information. Social media platform has arrested the minors and youngsters on summer vacation, and there is more time dedicated to the digital aspects, and many are hooked on Tinder, Twitter, Facebook, Snapchat, and many more. But basically our inner strength isn't that strong, because social media can be great for looking back fondly on memories and recounting how past events occurred. That we must try to cut as much social media exposure. These types of addictions can lead to lots of negative effects. There are two type of negative effects. First physical and second emotional. First physical, in this headache and vision problem, weight gain, and in emotional we are ignoring our family, ignoring the friends, ignoring near one, more time dedicated to the game and unable to understand the others emotion. This type of symbols in addict person. How we can overcome on digital addiction? We should do some rather exercise, meditation, and have a healthy food every day. We have a healthy food every day, and engage yourself in pleasurable activities like joining gym, dance class, painting, or any other area of interest. So your brain secretes hormones and you seek happy, but you use the gadgets, but you used the social media, so you can't seek a happy in pleasure in physical and creative activities. And meditation and yoga, it is control your mind and calm your mind. You should communicate with your parents, you spend with your times with your friends, and not play video game, and also take help from professionals, and many ways to fight with digital addiction. Thank you for listening me.
One change.